Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X200 FE and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's scroll down and find Software Information and localize build number. Keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter to confirm the whole step. Then let's go back to the general list of the settings and go to System Management. Now let's tap on the developer options, and here we have to scroll down a little bit to find this option, Automatic System Updates, and all you have to do is to tap on the switcher to turn it on, and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted, and of course whenever the update is available. Of course you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.